It's summer now, but let's take a quick trip back to winter. In this project, a drone was not an option. The site was in restricted area for drones, so I needed another solution. I scanned the site with FJD Trion P2 scanner. I started with an equipment check, made sure the software was up to date. I also used a custom strap solution to reduce the risk of the scanner falling while working on ladders and stockpiles. The job was done in winter conditions, so I measured the snow layer separately. That allowed me to exclude the snow from a final volume calculation. I scanned both outdoor areas and hard-to-reach zones under the roof. The SLAM workflow works where drones are not the right tool. As you can see here, this is what the scanning process looks like on site. The goal is to capture the full geometry in practical and efficient way. Later, I processed the model in FJD Trion model software and prepared it for volume measurement. Here you can see the model from both the outdoor and under roof areas. That's what makes this a complete real-world workflow.